Waste disposal. The waste produced in houses and offices is collected by the garbage collector and thrown in large garbage dumps located in different places in all localities. A municipal corporation truck collects the waste from these dumps and takes them to be disposed of so as not to create pollution. The process is carried out in the following way. A garbage collector collects garbage from door to door. The garbage is dumped at local garbage dumping site. The cranes of municipal corporation load the garbage in trucks. The trucks carry the garbage and dump outside the town or city. The heap of garbage is leveled by bulldozers or rollers. Landfill. Landfill is a low-lying area away from the main city. Garbage collected from cities is dumped into landfills. Gradually their level rises. Once the landfill is full, it is covered with soil. Later it is converted into a park. Managing waste. We can control pollution by managing waste. There are different ways in which we can dispose of waste. Biodegradable waste should be dumped into pits. The waste are covered with soil and can be made slightly moist by adding water. This waste rots and gets converted into manure, which can be used for plants. This process is called composting. Compost can be mixed with soil in gardens and parks as natural nutrient for plants. Garbage can also be burned. However, though they prevent the breeding of germs, they also cause air pollution. We know that garbage can also be dumped outside the city at special landfill sites. But in most of the cities and towns nowadays, there is not enough space to make new dumping grounds. Therefore, it is important to find a better solution to manage waste. There are three important things that need to be practiced to control the problem of waste disposal. These are the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce. The more we consume, the more waste we produce. We should think of ways to reduce waste while we shop, work, and play. We can reduce waste by reducing the number of things we use. We should buy goods that have less packaging. We should buy goods that are durable and long-lasting. We should take fresh food and not packaged food. We must carry a cloth bag while shopping. We should buy only those things that we need. Reuse. We can find new uses for things that we generally throw away. We can reuse plastic bottles, jars, containers, and glass. We should use steel or good quality plastic lunch boxes that can be washed instead of using aluminium foil. We can tear old clothes and use them as napkins. We can make art and craft materials from old paper, cartons, etc. We can reuse envelopes and gift papers. We can use cloth napkins, handkerchiefs, or hand towels instead of paper tissues and paper napkins. Recycle. Recycling is the process of converting used items into raw materials and making new products. In order to recycle, we need to separate waste into things that decompose and those that do not decompose. Shopping bags, paper, boxes, cartons, clothes, etc. are some common things made by recycling goods. Scrap dealers take away things that can be recycled and used in factories as raw materials.